In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a video into a photo in CapCut. Whether you're working on a creative project, need the perfect still for a thumbnail, or just want to capture a specific moment from your video, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. CapCut, known for its user-friendly interface and powerful editing tools, makes it incredibly simple to freeze a frame and turn it into a standalone image. Plus, I'll show you how to do this on both the mobile app and desktop software, so no matter what you're using, you're covered. If you don't already have a CapCut account, feel free to register using the link in the description to get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device or launch the desktop software on your computer. Once you're in, load the video project you want to work with. This is your starting point and sets the foundation for your editing session. By opening the project, you'll have quick access to the video clip you want to edit so you can get started right away. Next, move the playhead to the exact frame you want to turn into a photo. The playhead is that vertical line on your timeline that marks your current position in the video. It's a handy tool that helps you pinpoint the exact moment you'd like to freeze. If you happen to move one frame too far, don't worry, you can simply drag the playhead back or tap to adjust its position until it's just right. Now, let's focus on how to freeze a frame in the mobile app. To begin, tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. This ensures CapCut knows which part of the video you're working on. Then swipe through the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Keep scrolling until you find the freeze button. This might take a moment if you're unfamiliar with the layout, but it's there. Once you see it, tap on the freeze button. What this does is create a 3-second still image at the exact position of your playhead. That frozen frame will now appear as a new segment in your timeline so you can use it in your project. For those of you working with the desktop version of CapCut, here's how you do it. First, right-click on the video clip at the playhead's position. A context menu will appear with several options. From the menu, select Freeze. This will generate a frozen frame and add it as a new segment to your timeline. It's just as easy as on the mobile app, and the result is the same, a still image of the moment you selected. Now that you've created your photo segment, take a moment to review it in the timeline. Make sure it's exactly the moment you wanted to freeze. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can undo the action, reposition the playhead, and repeat the freeze process. This way, you'll get the perfect still shot without any hassle. Once you're satisfied with the frozen frame, you can decide how you want to use it. You can keep it within your video project as part of your timeline, or you can export it as a standalone image. If you choose to export it as an image, make sure to export only the specific segment containing the frozen frame. This allows you to use the still for thumbnails, social media posts, or any other creative purpose you have in mind. And there you have it! You've successfully turned a video into a photo using CapCut. Whether you're using the mobile app or the desktop software, this simple process gives you the flexibility to capture and use specific moments from your videos however you like. If you have any questions or would like to see tutorials on other features, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.